Good morning, DIYers. So today we are replacing the hood latch. It's not working anymore. It won't attach. So instead of trying to replace it or fix it, I just went ahead and bought a brand new hood latch rather, and we're gonna be replacing that today. All right, DIYers. The hood latch has three 10mm screws on it that we'll take off. Let's see. This is the first one. There's three of them. Make sure I don't drop it. Okay, it's number one. Put that on the engine. So number two, let me get that. Okay, that's the second one. All right, number three. Okay, it's the third one. Okay, so here I'm just trying to see. Okay, so this is attached. Okay, that goes there, that ball goes there. That slides out. Okay, so I just disconnected this. The ball goes in here underneath and is attached right here. So see it again. The ball goes in here and just detach it from here. Okay, this is the replacement. Okay, so I'm assuming the ball goes up here, up and around. Okay, let me see, that goes in there. Okay, let me attach this, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be fine. Okay, let's see. Gonna put it back on. Get it started here. Pretty simple replacement. Nothing difficult about it at all, DIYers. Got that started there. That's number one. Let's go opposite corner. Number two. I just want to get it started here. Let me just go at number one and number two, get them locked in, then I'll put the third one on. how to make it easier. Okay. There. Okay, there. There. This is the third one. Pretty simple install replacement, so not difficult at all, DIYers. Okay. That's tight. Okay, DIYers. So that was less than 7 minutes. Complete install, replacement of the hood latch. This is the old one. As you can see, this is the old one. Might be the original. I'm pretty sure it is. Old one and new one. So that's it, DIYers. Thank you for your time. I'm out. Peace.